Hey, welcome back to my channel. I should really go into singing. I mean, for real. Okay, whatever. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in again. And today's video is going to be so good. It's going to be short, but it's going to be straight to the point. I am going to show you how to apply liquid lipstick like you know what you're doing. Yes. So, for the record, I am not a professional makeup artist. No, I'm not. Although I did have a lot of makeup applied to me in the past during photo shoots and all that stuff. So I've learned a lot of tricks of the trade and I'm sharing them all with you guys. But I want to make sure that you know that I am just like you. I just love makeup. I've been wearing it for a long time. So now I'm just having fun with it. Yeah, so I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments below if it was useful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel because you gotta be cool like that. Yes. Okay, so all craziness aside, let's see how we can make those puckers look beautiful. Check it out. Okay guys, now when it comes to a perfect lipstick application, there are a few things that might be helpful to you. Number one, drink water all the time. But try to drink as much water as you can because when you drink water, everything gets moisturized and you just feel good and you look good too because makes your lips not dry and crumbly and chappy and all that stuff too. So you want to make sure you drink your aqua. Number two, before applying makeup, you want to make sure that you start off with a good base. That's the most important thing that's going to determine whether your lipstick stays on, whether it's going to look right. So you want to make sure that you start off flawless. So the first thing I would recommend is a lip scrub to scrub away all those dry spots. Now you don't have to do this all the time, but once in a while when your lips are really dry and you have some flaky stuff, exfoliate. Now I have one lip exfoliator by e.l.f., which is awesome. So I'm going to use this one for this video. Here we go. Ooh, I can really feel this. This is good stuff. Now, if you're like, Kim, I don't have a lip scrub. I can't talk and do this at the same time. Okay. If you're like, Kim, I don't have a lip scrub. What do I do? No problem. Check out a few videos back. One of my DIY videos. I did how to make your own lip scrub right at home. So check that video out and you can make your own at home. And if you even can't do that, even though it's really, really easy, just take like a moist towel that's kind of rough and just rub it gently on your lips and it'll have the same effect. You don't need to spend any money. Okay, so here you go. This really gets your blood flowing and pumps up those lips, makes them like nice and like kissable. After you scrub, wipe it off because the scrub might leave some residue. So guys, the next thing to do is to moisturize your lips because I'm using a liquid lipstick that dries matte, and matte lipstick can sometimes be drying. So you want to make sure that you moisturize before applying anything on it. I don't want to have to apply lip balm or lip gloss after I apply my lipstick because that messes everything up. I'm sure you guys know what I mean. I am using #ThisIsEverything from NYX on my lips. Ah, that feels so good. I am going to blot my lips to take away some of the grease. There. My lips are now a little drier, but they're still kind of moist. After the lip oil or a lip balm or however, whatever you prefer to use to add some moisture to your lips, you are going to take some concealer or leftover brushwood concealer on it from your makeup, and you're just gonna kindly, gently apply it to your lips. And what this does, it makes it a matte canvas, like a blank canvas. So the color of your lipstick is really gonna go, it's gonna pop. Now for the fun part. Now you're gonna take your lipstick, your liquid lipstick, and I am using the Vice Liquid Lipstick by Urban Decay. And this is in the color Rock Steady, which is a really gorgeous red. Now, I could just go like this and apply it, but because this is a red color, which is really visible, and because I want a really precise application, I am using a brush, and I'm using the Sigma number 5 lip brush. Just really good because it's kind of hard, but not too hard, and you can really get everything precise. You're gonna take the wand that comes with it, and you're just gonna apply the liquid lipstick to the brush. We're gonna start with the Cupid's bow, and you're gonna try to outline it perfectly and use the edge of the brush to do this because that's the hardest part, the hardest point of the brush, and it's gonna make a really cute outline. So you're gonna start by making a cross, just like this. Ooh. There. Now, after you do that, you might have to get some more product from your brush. You just kind of have to gauge it yourself. And then you are going to work from the corner of your mouth to the line that you just made. So if you want, you can even rest your hand on a table, your elbow, so you don't move all around and it's precise. Now keep in mind, if you make mistakes, you can always go back and fix them. So we're just gonna leave this like the way it is right now. And we're gonna color in the middle. That's the easy part. For the bottom lip, I always like to start in the center, and I always like to go a little bit below my lip to make it look a little bigger. There. And then we're going to connect the outer corner to that color. And the other side. Then, to correct any mistakes, make sure you always have your concealer on hand, and maybe like a mini brush. And You just put some concealer on the brush. And for the final touch, I apply one layer of color all over just to bring it all back, to bring back the color and to totally make my lips pop. Now you could do that with the wand real quick if you're in a rush. And there you have it. Your perfect, gorgeous, or gorgeous red lip. Your liquid lip, and it's perfectly perfect. Feels right, looks right. You'll love it. Try it. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys again in my next video. Thank you for watching.